5 Best 4K Handheld Camcorder 2022. The 5 Best 4K Handheld Camcorder in present time. We are going to check out 5 Best 4K Handheld Camcorder quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1 Video Camera 4K HD Autofocus Camcorder 48MP 60fps 30x Digital Zoom Camera for YouTube LED function 4500 mAh battery with handheld stabilizer, remote control, microphone and 64GB SD card. Price, $259.99. 4K multifunctional camcorder with handheld stabilizer. This 4K video camera has 48.0 picture pixels, 4K resolution, 60 fps video fluency, face detection, self-timer, anti-shake, supports up to 128GB SD card and standard tripod, not include. There is also a handheld stabilizer. It can keep the camcorder stable when recording, suitable for low-angle shooting. This is a video enthusiast suitable for recording vlogging. Camcorder with autofocus function and 30x digital zoom. This camera has a new autofocus function. The operation method is very simple. Pre-press the camera button. There are 2 sections. Press the first section to focus, press the second section to take pictures or video pause. It can automatically focus in clear imaging. The shooting distance is 0.328 foot infinity. You can also see the distant scenery clearly through 30x digital zoom. Number 2 Video Camera Camcorder 4K Camcorder with microphone for photography Camcorder UHD 56MP Vlogging Camera for YouTube 16x Zoom 3.0 inches Touchscreen IR Night Vision Wi-Fi with Beauty Fill. Price, $189.99. 4K 56MP video camera and multifunctional. This camera camcorder is equipped with the newest upgraded CMOS image sensor, which helps to deliver up to 16x digital zoom 48MP crystal clear image in 4K sharp, smooth video. Max supports 4K 30fps MP4 video resolution and 56mm JPEG image resolution. Support Wi-Fi, anti-shake, night vision, time-lapse photography function, beauty function, 3.0-inch IPS touchscreen, Wi-Fi and night vision. Before using the Wi-Fi function, it can by downloading related app. Read the user manual to download the app on your smartphone, and thanks to the Wi-Fi function of this YouTube camera, you can easily browse, transfer and share your photos and videos with your mobile device through this app. Black and white photo. Number 3 Panasonic Full HD Video Camera Camcorder HCV180K, 50x Optical Zoom, 1/5.8-inch BSI sensor, touch-enabled 2.7-inch LCD display, black. Price, $227.99. 50x and 90x Optical Zoom, long 50x zoom and 90x Intelligent Zoom draws in the scene from far away. The focal length is 2.06 to 103 mm, wide-angle lens. A 28 mm wide-angle lens is convenient for capturing group images in small spaces, such as weddings, reunions and vacations. 1/5.8-inch BSI sensor. The backside illumination sensor has a large effective area with 2.20 effective pixels, suppressing noise even when shooting in dimly lit conditions. Number 4 Panasonic 4K Ultra HD Video Camera Camcorder HCVX981K, 20x Optical Zoom, 1/2.3-inch BSI sensor, HDR capture, Wi-Fi smartphone multi-scene video capture, black. Price, $797.99. Get in close and detail. 18.91 megapixel MOS sensor plus 20x zoom LEICA decomer lens, 4.08 to 81.6 mm, plus 5-axis hybrid OIS, optical image stabilizer, 1/2.3-inch BSI sensor. The backside illumination sensor has a large effective array with 8.29 m effective pixels, suppressing noise even when shooting in dimly lit conditions. Image sensor is 1/2.3-inch BSI MOS sensor, 4K recording and in-camera editing, ultra-sharp 4K Ultra HD recording, plus in-camera editing for 1080p displays. Total pixels 18.91 megapixels, still image 7.00 megapixels 3.2, 8.29 megapixels 69, 6.22 megapixels 4.3. Number 5 4K HD video camera 48MP 60 fps Wi-Fi vlogging camera 18x digital camera IR night vision camcorder video camera for YouTube with handheld stabilizer, microphone and remote control. Price, $159.99. 4K and 48MP 60 fps video camera. The 4K video camera has 48MP picture clarity and amazing 4K/60 fps video fluency, helping you record every moment in your life. Its remote control has 360-degree wireless angle control, and the remote control distance can reach 65 feet. Foldable handheld stabilizer can ensure stable shooting and easy to carry, very suitable for making low-angle videos and images, help you to become an excellent video recorder. 4K Wi-Fi camcorder. The built-in Wi-Fi function of this 4K camera can achieve excellent connectivity and realize wireless transmission function. Download the XDV Pro app on your mobile phone. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the camera is completely under your control and you can see immediately the content displayed in the camera. The application allows you to conveniently modify and edit the video material, and can also automatically upload the video to social media. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.